Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be testing out this MamaEarth's face mask. This is the Ubtan face mask with saffron, turmeric and apricot oil, and this is for skin lightening and brightening. We're going to be wearing this mask, testing it out, and at the end of this video I'm going to be letting you know my final thoughts on this mask, whether it worked or not, whether it was good or not, whether I liked it. So before we begin, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out any uploads from my channel. So let's get started. So the mask comes in this nice cardboard packaging, and you get about 100 ml of product. Yeah, you get about 100 ml of the product, and it retails for about rupees 4.99. I got this on an offer price for about 3.99 from Amazon, and this has very nice ingredients. It has ingredients like saffron, turmeric, apricot oil, and this is meant for skin lightening and brightening. I do not care about skin lightening, but I do want to see if it actually does brighten my skin. And it says paraben silicone free. As usual, all MamaEarth products are paraben and silicone free, and it's hypoallergenic and with bioactives. It has really nice ingredients, and it says it's for anti-aging, lightens, brightens skin, made with natural ingredients. So I'm really excited to try this mask out with you guys. And the inner packaging actually comes in this nice tub. So this is the inner packaging. So the inner packaging, it comes in a nice tub packaging, and it has like a protective thing right here. Once you open that up, there's your mask. It has a very nice creamy sort of consistency, and you also do get a spatula along with it, because you know it will be very hygienic when you apply this mask. So that's about the packaging. Now let's move on to application of this mask. I have freshly cleansed my face with the Roop Mantra cucumber face wash, and I have nothing on my face right now. I have just washed it. So I'm going to be using this mask with the help of this random foundation brush that I have. I'm going to apply this onto my face. So I'm going to be taking some of this product or using a spatula onto my hand, and from my hand I'll be using a brush and then applying it onto my face, because I want it to be a little hygienic. So I'm just taking it on my palm like so. Maybe I need a little bit more. Okay, so I've taken that much, and I'm going to use this foundation brush kind of thing and apply it onto my face. So that's how the mask looks like once it's freshly applied. I really love the smell of this mask. It smells so fresh, it smells so natural, it's very refreshing. And one thing, it was a struggle for me to apply this mask because I forgot to put my hair back. So tip for you guys, if you ever apply face mask, do wear a headband or something, so that your hair doesn't get onto your face and irritate you so much. So I'm going to let this dry for about 15 minutes, and I'll get back to you once it's dry. And I'm going to be scrubbing this mask and removing it. So wait for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. So I have been having this mask on for about 15 minutes, and the instructions specifically asks you to scrub and then wash it off. So for scrubbing this mask, I'm just going to use a little bit of my Java rose water and I'm going to start scrubbing. So let's do that and wash it off. So I have just scrubbed off this mask and I've washed my face, and I've just completely removed the mask. I'm not sure if you can see it actually on camera, but my skin does feel a little bit brighter, and in person it does feel a little brighter, and also I feel so refreshed and clean. I feel super clean, squeaky clean, and I do really like this mask and I'll continue to use it, and it does not dry out your skin. That's an excellent thing. Most of these masks, they do tend to dry out your skin much more. So this does not do that. My skin does feel really moisturized and nice and also clean at the same time, and it did brighten my skin a little bit as well. I really like this mask, and my final thoughts on this mask is that you can obviously go ahead and purchase this mask. I really like it. I would definitely recommend this because it has very nice ingredients and it does do the job nicely. And also, if you actually do not want to buy this mask, you could DIY it. I actually have a video on how to make a detan pack for yourself using homemade products, and I'll link it. I'll put a card up here, or I'll link it in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. That's going to cost you way lesser than this. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.